Okay guys, so here we go. I finally captured one of my favorites. Now we are in the Garden of Eden, and this is my blue velvets that turned out to be red. And they are ruby red, but they're only spotted. I don't think I have a single one that's solid ruby like we have solid black in the Tree of Life. But here you can see the head and the tail. Most of them have something on their tail. But this one, its head and its tail and its spine are this beautiful deep red color. I'm gonna put you on pause because I'm gonna see if I can find who else is in the tank that wants to join in on the show. Okay, here we go. This one was seriously looking right at me and I had it magnified so loud it scared me. So this one has more of the opaque aqua body and its tail is red. And as you can see, it's little, there's red on its little, what do you call that, fingers or the little claws it uses. You can see that there. Here, I think you're gonna take a look at the tail. Yeah, right there. There's a much better look. Okay, so in the other tank where it's just the aqua ones, I've only placed this aqua color if they have no other color on it. But this one here, we've got red touches on both the, I guess, feet and the tail. Let's keep looking. Okay, here's a good shot. See just a tail, a little bit on the head area, the red spine. Here's a really good shot right here. So this really is, the front of this one really has almost that aqua blue that I'm talking about, that all the babies should have been that or were a little bit, the original parents were that color but darker. But their offspring have all been light like this. Now this one transitions on its underbelly to the ruby red on the tail. I think that's probably going to be the best shot. They love to hang out back here. I don't see any back here though. Bingo, look at that. Okay, you have two. Okay, so the bottom was more the aqua color, and you can see there's just a little red flake. But look at the one that's upright. Look how deep that ruby red color is. So even if, since a blue velvet is technically a cross between a red and a blue dream, the red does not come out this deep. So that could be why we see the deeper red is because a black really was introduced into the parenting. Now remember, these all came from the same generation one birth, and they all came out in three distinct colors. I think the red has been intensified here because there was a black included in with the parenting group. So hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next video update.